In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of echo in Soundtrap. So to do this, there's actually a few different fixes. The first thing you should check is top left over here if you go into settings. For example, if it says over here where it says monitoring, if it says like on or something like that, make sure to actually turn that off because that may actually be causing echo. If that's not the issue over here and you have it as not available or something like that, what you can also try is the following. So whenever you actually add a new track, like voice and mic for example, over here, make sure monitoring is not enabled. So for me, it's not even supported on my device, but if for you, for example, it's enabled, make sure you disable this because what monitoring does is it's going to basically let you hear your voice, your echo inside your headphones. So if that's it, hopefully that will fix your issue. However, if that was still not it, and for example, you are still for some reason hearing some echo in your voice, there's the third way to fix that as well. So let me actually go ahead and record a little bit so I can show you why this happens. Now I'm just going to record myself talking over here. There we go. As you can see, some sample audio is being generated and I'm going to now stop it. Okay, now whenever you have this new track, you can click on it and you can right click and then click on effects. Now in here, usually there's automatically going to be some reverb on there. So if I now play this here, there we go. As you can see, some sample audio is being generated. There we go. There's just a little bit of echo in the back. Now sometimes there could be more, for example, something like this. As you can see, some sample audio is being generated. There we go. So in case that's happening, all you have to do is simply right click on that audio, go into the effects, and then where it says reverb, you can just go ahead and basically turn this off, or you can just click on the X button to remove that, and then your echo should be completely gone from your recorded audio. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.